chopped up for the dressing. I've got a pan behind me heating up with a little bit of butter. Well, not a little bit, a lot of butter, because girl, it's Christmas. So, you know, butter and Christmas go together, or at least Christmas cooking. So I've got the onion just like that, diced up. And now we're gonna dice up the celery. So once the butter is heated up in the pan, I'll go ahead and place this in, salt, pepper, and a little bit of poultry seasoning, and let it cook on a low heat, just so that, you know, everything gets nice and soft. We don't want too much color. We just want the vegetables to get soft. And that's my bread ready to go. So on my stove will be these veggies, salt, pepper, poultry seasoning. And we'll let these cook just on a low heat back behind us on the stove. All right, y'all, I am back with 2 pans of cornbread already cooked off. I did it last night and placed it in this huge bowl so that we could go ahead and put together our dressing. With the cornbread, 2 pans, we're going to put 2 slices of toast white bread. Now let me show you. This is the bread that I prefer to use. It's the Sara Lee Artisanal bakery bread, and it's the original version of it, the white bread. And then we've got 3 of those biscuits I showed you earlier. I've cooked them off nice and brown. Those go in. And of course, we've got 3 of them. I showed you earlier the brand. It's Pillsbury, the frozen variety, and it's the butter tasting flavor. We cooked down the onion and celery. We're gonna go ahead and get that in. Looks so good. And it smells like Christmas in here, for real, for real. We've got 2 eggs that I beat, and we put that right in. 1 can of cream of chicken soup. You can use cream of celery if that's all you have. I don't think I've ever used cream of mushroom, but I don't know, I guess you could use that too. But I've always done primarily cream of chicken. Next, I've got a half a stick of butter that I melted, so I'm gonna get that in. So next, I'm gonna take a large spoon and we're going to break up the bread, break up the cornbread, get everything, you know, starting to just break down. Y'all, I really believe in these larger measuring cups. I've got the 8-cup measure that I use when I'm, you know, filling my pot to brine my turkey. I've got also a 4-cup measure in that same Perfect, you know, brand. And then I've got this 2-cup measure that I'm about to use with the chicken stock. So we're starting with 2 cups right in, and we will continue to break up all the bread. So far I've got like 4 and probably 1/4 cup of broth into my dressing. I'm seasoning with salt and pepper and 1 tablespoon, a whole tablespoon of poultry seasoning right in. So I'll use probably anywhere from 4 to 6 cups of broth for my dressing. I don't know the exact measure, y'all. I don't, because sometimes it's more, sometimes it's less. It's just about, you know, to me, the feel. Also, if you put your dressing in the oven very loose, like real loose, it's gonna come out real loose. So you want to basically get it the consistency that you want it when you are ready to eat it, if that makes sense. Y'all, I'm a taster. I'm gonna taste it to make sure it tastes good. That's delicious. Okay, a little bit more salt, more pepper. So I wanted to show you guys the consistency of the dressing. It's not real loose, it's not real tight, like it's got some, you know, moisture to it. And so I've got it down in my 13 by 9, and this is what it looks like. I don't smooth out the top because I want the peaks to be golden brown when it comes out the oven. It'll be beautiful. So we'll get it all baked off and I'll let you see the results.